Remove the UF and remote control. Tear the protective film. Deploy the UF arm. Insert the UF battery. Turn on the UF switch and place it on the horizontal ground. Open the remote control battery compartment. Put in 3 AA batteries. Move the handle to the lower left and then to the lower right. Calibrate gyroscope. Move the right handle up and down to complete. Outer 8-direction toggle handle. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Rise. Decline. Forward. Backward. Left side fly. Right side fly. Left rotation. Right rotation. Obstacle avoidance mode switch. 360 flip. Fast and slow gear switching. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Headless mode. Replace the blades of UF. Pay attention to distinguish blades A and B. Remove the screws. Pull out the fan blade and replace it. Tighten the screws. Installation of UF protective frame. Align the bayonet for installation. Scan QR code to download app. Download the software according to the phone model. Turn on the drone, mobile phone connection Wi-Fi. You can start the flight. Connect the power supply to charge the UF battery. The battery is fully charged when the green light is on.